Retention is top of mind for nearly every leader today. You can't look at the news without more reports of labor shortages, people leaving the workforce, and the hardships that presents to organizations and the employees who remain. It would be easy to throw our hands up in despair, but the reality is that managers have much greater influence over this dynamic than they might think. What kind of relationship are you helping your employees cultivate with work? How well do you understand the range of jobs your employees want their jobs to do for them? We have a unique opportunity right now to let go of old ways of thinking about careers and to help everyone experience meaningful growth. To move beyond anchoring development to some future promotion and to create more possibilities for growth right here, right now. That's why I wrote Promotions Are So Yesterday, Redefine Career Development, Help Employees Thrive. It acknowledges that careers have changed and offers leaders the tools required to help career development catch up. At the heart of my new book is the multidimensional career framework. It summarizes 10 years of field research focused on understanding what people really want from their careers. And it offers 7 powerful alternatives to what most managers assume their employees are always angling for, that climb up the corporate ladder. The truth is that at any given time, your people want a lot more out of work. They want to expand their contribution, step up, make a difference, be of service. They appreciate the need for lifelong learning and want to grow their competence. Many employees crave greater connection through relationship and network building. There are times in everyone's career when developing greater confidence becomes a priority as we work on trusting and appreciating our talents and abilities. Employees grow through challenges that test their capacity and stretch them beyond what's known. Sometimes the best way forward is to take a step back and cultivate the experience of contentment, of meaning, greater ease and joy. And finally, there's the experience of choice or autonomy that can enhance both growth and engagement. Here's the thing that's pretty stunning and that every leader needs to know. Our research found that in aggregate, respondents were more interested in each of these 7 dimensions than they were in the climb up the corporate ladder. So, if you're a manager who's avoided career conversations because you thought employees only wanted that one thing you didn't have to offer, think again. You have countless alternatives for engaging, growing, and retaining others in ways that matter even more. It's time to reimagine career development and start developing multidimensional careers. And in the process, you'll help your employees and your organization thrive.